Have you ever wished your Windows PC could look and feel like macOS? Maybe you love the clean interface, the animated dock, or the elegant top menu bar. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to bring all of that to your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer using a tool called My Dock Finder. My Dock Finder completely transforms the look of your desktop. It gives you a smooth, animated macOS style dock. You'll get zoom effects on icons when you hover over them. You'll also get a translucent top bar, just like a real Mac. And yes, it even includes a working launchpad for your apps and a classic Apple logo in the corner. It feels incredibly close to macOS, but it runs directly on Windows. Whether you are switching from a Mac or just want your PC to look more polished, this is one of the easiest and cleanest ways to do it. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through every step, from installation to full setup. So sit back, follow along, and let's make your Windows PC look like macOS. First, let's set the mood with macOS wallpaper. We'll use the latest macOS Tahoe wallpaper. Open your browser and search for macOS Tahoe wallpaper. Go to this website. Here, you'll find wallpapers for both light and dark themes. Choose the one you like. Right-click on the image and select Save Image As. Once it's saved, right-click on it and choose Set as Desktop Background. After that, clean up your desktop. Right-click anywhere on the desktop, go to View and uncheck Show Desktop Icons. Now your desktop already feels a bit more like macOS. Next, we'll install the macOS style dock using My Dock Finder. You can get it from the Steam store. If you don't have Steam, visit the official website and install it from there. Then create a free Steam account. Once you are signed in, go to the Store tab and search for My Dock Finder. My Dock Finder is a paid tool. It costs around 300 rupees or $5. Add it to your cart and complete the payment using your Steam wallet or a credit card. After purchase, go to your Steam library and install My Dock Finder. Once it's installed, click Launch to launch it. You'll now see a Mac-style dock at the bottom and a menu bar at the top of your screen. But your original Windows taskbar is still visible. Let's hide it. Click on the Explorer button from the top menu bar. Then select Hide Taskbar. Now only the macOS dock remains visible. To keep your favorite apps in the dock, open any app by pressing the Windows key and searching for it. Once the app icon shows up in the dock, right-click on it and select Keep in Dock. Now that icon will stay on the dock even after you close the app. This way, pin all the apps on your dock that you use regularly. To customize the dock, right-click anywhere on it and open Preferences. This is where you can fine-tune everything to make it look like macOS. In the Preferences window, go to the Appearance tab. Enable the option that says Make Dock use Custom Blur and Transparency. Set both values to around 10 to 15. This creates a frosted glass effect like macOS. Now scroll down to the Context menu section. Apply those same blur and transparency settings here. Repeat the same steps under the Menus section. Then go to the Finder section and set all blur values to 0. This makes the top bar background just like macOS Tahoe. Now scroll down in the Appearance tab and click on Icon Theme. Then click Workshop. A new window will open. Go to the Icon section. Find the latest macOS Tahoe icon set. Click Subscribe. Then click the download button and wait for it to finish. Once done, go to the Install tab. Select the Tahoe icon theme and click OK. Instantly, your dock's icon will change to the macOS versions. For example, the File Explorer icon turns into a Finder icon, Edge might look like Safari, and so on. Next, open the Windows animation settings. Turn on opening animation. Pick any style you like. Then turn on close animation. Now open and close any app to see the smooth transitions. These animations help recreate the macOS experience. Now go to the look and behavior. Set the icon size to 100. Set the scaling to 125. This improves the hover zoom effect on dock icons. You should see a launchpad icon on your dock. By default, it's empty. Let's fix that. Go to the Launchpad section. Open the Added Icons menu. Select the last option. This will add all your installed apps from the Start menu. After that, right-click and restart your dock. Now click the Launchpad icon again. You'll see a grid of app icons just like on a Mac. If you see shortcuts or links you don't need, right-click to remove them. You can also rearrange icons by dragging and dropping them. My Dock Finder also shows thumbnail previews of minimized apps on the dock. If you want to disable this, go to the Minimize Effects section. Enable the option Minimize Windows into their dock icon. Then right-click on the dock and select Restart Dock. Now, minimized apps will stay as icons without showing previews. On Windows, when you hover over a taskbar icon, you often see a small preview of the window. If you want to disable it as well, go to the Windows Preview section and disable this effect. You should no longer see a pop-up preview window when you hover over the taskbar app. If you want My Dock Finder to launch automatically when you start your PC, go to the General tab. Click on Start on Boot method. Select the last option that says Start as Service. This gives it the highest priority so it loads as soon as the window starts. You can also enable this option to automatically hide the Windows taskbar on boot. And that's it. Your Windows desktop now looks and feels exactly like macOS. You have the dock, launchpad, top bar, animations and icon pack, all working together to bring the macOS vibe. My Dock Finder is quite lightweight and optimized. When idle, it uses almost no CPU and only a small amount of memory. In fact, it often sits around 0.1% CPU and maybe 50 to 60 MB of RAM usage when idle, which is negligible on any modern PC. If you ever want to remove My Dock Finder and return to the default Windows interface, here's what to do. First, open My Dock Finder settings and turn off the Start on Boot method option. Now restart your PC. After the reboot, the default Windows interface should appear. Once that happens, you can uninstall My Dock Finder from Windows settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.